Thank you guys. Welcome. Thank you guys for tuning in for another episode of The Divine Flow with Dionne. I am Dionne, and today we're going to be discussing a revelation that Spirit gave me about the machine. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, so we're getting ready to talk about this machine. So this is called... Hold on one second. I thought I had my phone on silent, you guys. Hold on. Okay, all right. So this lesson, or this divine revelation from Spirit, is called The Machine Must Be Seen, Why It Needs Souls, and What Happens When You Unplug. So today we're going to talk about the machine, what it really is, and why it needs your soul. Okay, and also I'm also gonna reveal to you, like, how do you unplug from the machine, right? So what is the machine? Okay, the machine is not just a device, it's a spiritual framework. Some examples include hustle culture, algorithm obsession, media programming, and performance-based spirituality, just to name a few. This is not an all-inclusive list. Okay, so the machine has its own grid, and the way I came about this revelation is because I was asking, Spirit about the matrix grid, and I'm like, what really is it? So that is how I come to get like the further insight. Okay, all right, so why it needs souls? Because it has no soul of its own. It cannot generate, only drain. So unconscious emotional energy is the machine's fuel. Okay, and like the machine targets scroll holders and awakened beings. Okay, all right, so this is how you're gonna know you've been plugged in. Okay, you have signs of depletion, frustration, false urgency, emotional hijacking, feeling disconnected from source, spinning in loops, or trying to perform for results. So ask yourself, what am I giving energy to that hasn't fed me back? So anything that just continually drains you and not replenishing you, that's the machine at work. Okay, so how to unplug, and this is like the scroll holder version. Okay, return to presence. And you guys, like, I'm learning this myself. I did not realize how much I've been absent from my own life, like just going through the motions, trying to survive. You're not even showing up for yourself because you're in a survival trap. Okay, so return to presence, turn down the noise, move when Spirit says move. Okay, protect your attention, speak decrees, ground in truth, build rhythms that Spirit created for you, not our rhythms. Okay, so hold on, you guys. I want to make sure I cover everything about the machine. Okay. And again, okay, this is more clarification on the machine. Okay, the machine has no soul. It has no breath of its own. It survives by hijacking the energy of awakened souls who are unaware of their power. It disguises itself through hustle culture, false spirituality, mainstream media, and fear loops. Okay, and why does the machine need souls in the first place? Because souls emit light. Okay, they emit light, power, and divine current. When a soul plugs into the machine unconsciously, it becomes a power source. Okay, the machine targets the scroll holders because most of their energy awakens others. So y'all, that's why we can't just be going through life on autopilot, like unconsciously. Like, we have to be so present. Okay, So what happens when a scroll holder sees the machine? The illusion begins to dissolve, energy is reclaimed, timelines shift, other souls begin to remember just by being in your presence. Okay? So I'm about to give out some journal prompts. Okay, journal prompt 1. What has silently fed on my energy without my permission? Okay. Journal prompt number 2. Where have I unconsciously tried to earn love, attention, or results? And journal prompt number 3. What would it feel like to reclaim my power and pull my frequency back? Okay, what would that feel like? Alright, so if this video activated you, I would like you to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Divine Flow with Dionne. And I want to give y'all a reminder, you are not the machine's fuel. Okay, we were not put here to fuel a machine that has no soul and no breath. Okay, so we need to reclaim our power and just live in total awareness. Okay, all right, so thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye.